Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. So today we will learn a Python script to create a Jira ticket. So Jira is a powerful tool for project management and issue tracking, and automating the creation of Jira ticket can significantly enhance the productivity and the efficiency in software development teams. So automating this creation of Jira ticket using the Python, it will help the teams to streamline their workflow. It also reduces the manual effort. So first, let's see the prerequisites. First, you should have an AWS account with Ubuntu 24.04 EC2 instance up and running. Then you should have a Jira account with a project set. Then a basic knowledge of Python. So let's move with the practical. Our first step is create a Jira project. So first, log in into your Jira account. So this is my Jira account. Then go to the projects and click on create project. Here you need to select the software development. In software development, we will select the Scrum template for simplicity. Use the template. Here you can choose your project type, which is team managed project or company managed. We will select the team managed. Then add the project details like name. And as you can see, key is also created. Then click on next. As you can see, our project named Python for DevOps is created successfully. Then our next step is generate the API token. So again, go to your Jira account. Here you need to go into your profile and settings. Then click on profile. Then select manage your account. Go to security. Now under the security, you will see the API tokens option. Now click on create and manage API tokens. Create API token. And here you need to give the label, give an appropriate label. Then click on create. As you can see, our API token is created. Now let's copy. So you won't be able to see this token again as mentioned here. So make sure to copy it and save it somewhere like in Notepad. We'll be using it further in our practical. So we have created API token successfully. Then our next step is installing Python and required tools. So first we will update the package index. So let's copy the command sudo apt update and paste it. Sorry. All right. Now after updation is complete, let's install the Python. Then we will install Python virtual environment and pip. So let's copy this command. Sorry. And after this, we will set up the Python virtual environment. So virtual environment isolates your Python environment from the global system environment, which makes the dependency management easier and it also avoids conflicts. Let's copy this command and paste it. Our Python virtual environment is also set up. Then we will activate that environment. Now our virtual environment is also activated. Next, install the request libraries using the pip. Our request library is also installed. Now our next step is write a Python script to retrieve a list of all projects in Jira. First, let's create a directory named Jira integration. Hit enter. Then navigate to the directory. Now inside that directory, we will create a file named name.py. Now inside that file, we will write our Python script, which will retrieve the project's names. So this is the script. Let's copy. I will explain. So here we will importing the required libraries like request, which is a library for sending the HTTP request. Then we are also importing the HTTP basic auth, which is a module to handle the HTTP basic authentication. Then we are importing the JSON library, which is for working with the JSON data. Then next we are setting the API endpoints URL. Here you need to give your own URL, your own domain name. Let's copy the domain name. So from your Jira account in the URL section, let's copy it. And paste it inside our script. Then next is authentication. Make sure to do your email ID. You need to give the email ID of your Jira account. Then next, we will give our API token. Give the API token which copied from the last step. Let's copy it and paste it. Then next section is headers. Here we are setting the request header. This is the dictionary specifying that the response should be in JSON format. Then next is the HTTP GET request. Here the script uses the request to send the GET request to the Jira API, and it also includes the URL, headers, and dot for authorization. Then next, it will process and print the response. So let's save the file. Now after creating the script, let's execute it using the Python main.py command. As you can see, the output is the formatted JSON string containing the details about the projects accessible to the user. You can see the project key which is created, then the name of the project which we have created, Python for DevOps. Now our next step is create a issue in Jira. Means create a ticket in Jira. So now we want to create it. So let's first create a file to write a Python script. Let's copy the command, paste it. So this is the script. Let's copy. Now here also we are inputting the required libraries which are request, HTTP record, JSON. We are here also setting the API endpoint URLs. So let's give our URL. Make sure to give your own domain name here. In the authorization, to your own email ID. Sorry. Let's give the API token which we have copied. Then next is header section where we are setting the request headers. Then next we are preparing the payload. This is the JSON data containing the details of the issue to be created, and it specifies the description. Then issue type right here. So in the issue type, you need to give the issue ID which you want to create. So to read through the issue ID, you can go to your project. Now in the project, configure the board. Click on configure board. Now here, go to the issue types. Here you can see the issues like bug, story, task. You can select anyone which you want to create. And in the URL section, you can see its ID. So let's copy this ID. Paste it in this page. Next, you need to give your project key. Go to your Jira account. Go back to your project. So this is your project key. Let's copy, paste it. Make sure to give your own project key. And next is summary. The message we will be seeing issue when it is created, which is when ordered for low broken. Then next we are sending the HTTP post request. This sends the post request to the Jira API endpoint with the payload and headers for creating the issue. Then next process and print the response. So let's save the file. After this, let's run the script using the Python command. As you can see, our issue is created. The output is in the formatted JSON string. You can see. Let's verify if our issue is created. So for that, go back to your Jira account, go to backlog right here. Now let's refresh the page. So as you can see, our issue is created successfully with the message we have written, may not have slow broken in the summary. So today we have learned how to write a Python script to create a Jira ticket, and this helps in automating the workflows and integration with other systems. And it also enhances the productivity in software development and project management processes. And by understanding these steps, you can use the Jira API, which helps in empowering the teams to streamline the operations and focus more on delivering the high quality software solutions. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you.